Hello everyone, now we are going to do this question, which is in a PN junction diode, change in temperature due to heating. So the options are: first, affect only reverse resistance; option B, does not affect resistance of PN junction; third, affects only forward resistance; and fourth, affect the overall VI characteristics of PN junction. So as you all know, the graph of the PN junction is like this. This is at which it's come to the breakdown over here, okay, and from here it will take a heap steep heap, okay. So what is given that in a p-n junction diode, so basically p-n junction diode graph is this, okay, and when change in temperature due to heating, so what is the correct option according to you? We will see what's the correct option. So due to heating, just a second, let me take a highlighter. Yeah, due to heating, when heat will change in temperature, the number of electron holes pairs will increase. So the overall resistance of the diode will change. So basically, when the temperature changes, it will take a steep heat, and afterwards it also just got the breakdown, and it's basically the forward biasing and it's basically the backward biasing. So reverse biasing, or you can say. So due to which the forward biasing and reverse biasing both are changed. As you can see that it also just took a breakdown, and over here it took the just a great heat, steep heat. Okay, so basically the correct option is the fourth option. Every factorable factor or the characteristics of p-n junction diode will get. So thank you everyone.